Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. Today we are going to learn about how to show or display the custom field values of pages in WordPress. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So currently if I go to the pages, any of the pages, right? So here we can go to edit. Okay, so here we have the custom fields, right? If I go to the screen options, okay, so here we have the custom fields, right? So let's enable this custom fields, and if I add any of the custom fields like hello world or something, and here I'm adding the text hello world, this is text field, okay, and trying to save add this custom field, right? This is custom field is added, and how this custom field is added on that page, and how to show that field. Let me update this page. Okay, let's view this page. So here you can see that hello world, this is the text field. So you can see that I'm successfully able to show that custom field into the respective page. Okay, so let's dive into the code level how we can display the custom fields. Okay, so here we have the functions.php file, and I think here also I have added. So here we go with this one. Okay, this is in the page upload file, right? So here we can see that. So here what we are doing, get the current ID of the post, get the value of the custom field, like this is hello world, so this is added over here. This is the key name, whatever key name you want to add, you can have to mention over here, this key one. So here this is the key, this is hello world, so you mention that this is the key that you need to pass over here, get post meta. If check if the custom field has the value, then custom field value with this custom field value, else there is no custom field found. So this is how you can able to display the custom fields into your WordPress pages. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.